The fall season is finally here, and we all want to feel cozy and warm inside our homes. So here is a fantastic and super easy DIY trick to make your home smell like fall the natural way. Fill your home with the aroma of the best smelling season and bring back memories of past years. There are lots of very popular scented products out there, but be careful because they contain an array of hazardous substances which may compromise your health. This is why making your own all-natural scents is really the best option. You are only going to need 2 inexpensive ingredients. A simmer pot recipe with orange peels and cinnamon is really all you need. Cinnamon and oranges are perfect fall scents that remind people of falling leaves, cool breezes, and family gatherings. So specifically, you're going to need a few orange peels and a couple of cinnamon sticks. Next, in a small saucepan with water, add the orange peels and cinnamon sticks. Bring it to a boil and then turn the heat down to simmer. Medium heat is perfect. Within minutes, your home will start to smell heavenly. Simmer for about 20 minutes, then add more water if needed. I recommend simmering for about 40 minutes to an hour so the smell can last, but you can simmer for as long as you want. You can even add more fall ingredients to this recipe. Think apple peels, whole cloves, lemon peels, rosemary, and vanilla. Play around with different ingredients and see which simmer pot combination makes your favorite natural fall scent. So there you have it. You now know how to fill your home with the aroma of the best smelling season. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 18 amazing benefits and uses of lavender essential oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.